Hello everybody and welcome back to Immediate Meteorology. In this video we'll be talking about Tropical Cyclone 9 that is currently in the Caribbean. Before the video starts, I just wanted to say that if you enjoy weather content like this, please hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. Today is Wednesday and I will now be uploading every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so expect the next video to be in 2 days. So as we go ahead and jump right in, here are our tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. All the way up to 100% this time, especially over the Caribbean there. So a very widespread area too of 100%, and we even have a 5 to 10% risk all the way up into Georgia and just 2 clips of Alabama and South Carolina. And then we have all the way up to 40% around reaching up all the way until around the Tampa miles north of the Tampa Bay type of area, so that area around there in Florida. So we have very high and widespread chances for this, all the way up to 100% like I said, and it's very, very widespread. Here is our satellite imagery like you saw in the thumbnail. Very healthy and developed storm that we have here. You can see there Puerto Rico going to be hit by the outer band sometime today. So they'll have to look out for that. It's already passed over the Caribbean islands. They have gotten a lot of winds and flooding. Once it's done with that, actually, we'll go ahead and head on to where it's located. Like I said, sort of near Puerto Rico and already went over the Caribbean islands. But here's our cone forecast. We already have lots of warnings and watches in place for way ahead, all the way until 2 a.m. Saturday. So we have the Dominican Republic and Haiti. They are both under tropical storm warnings and tropical storm watches. All of Puerto Rico is under a tropical storm warning, and a decent amount of the Caribbean islands. The cone is saying that this will probably stay a tropical storm as it travels sort of northwest. As a tropical storm, and it really won't weaken. It'll just stay together as it goes over Cuba, Haiti, and Puerto Rico and the Dominican Republic. It's also saying, staying as a tropical storm, it'll reach around mid-Florida and definitely is going to do some damage there in Florida. Here is our global model track guidance. Most of the models are also saying what the cone is saying. It's going to go northwest and then curve up north, sort of along the Gulf Coast of Florida, and eventually go inland to places like Georgia and South Carolina. Here is our GFS Ensembles. This time, this one's saying it's going to actually go on the Atlantic coast of Florida and sort of go along the east coast, and by the time it reaches around Delaware and Virginia, it's going to curve out back into the Atlantic and weaken off. But yes, maybe the biggest impacts in these models will probably be Florida and North Carolina. You can see the line is definitely going over North Carolina right there. So they could see some pretty big impacts around there. Here are our CMC tracks. Not too much to say here because it's really all over the place. We have one couple going like deeply into the Gulf. We have one that doesn't even barely goes on hits land, and then the rest basically saying the same thing as the global model track guidances. Now here is our model intensity guidance track. We have two models going into Category 1 hurricane status. We have HMNI and RI-225 going into hurricane status, but that's pretty unlikely with the storm. The rest of the models are saying it'll basically stay steady in the tropical storm category and actually strengthen from now on until around in 2 days. It looks like that will be when it starts weakening, but obviously still staying in tropical storm status. Now finally for this video, here are our reasonable arrival times of tropical storm force winds. For Puerto Rico, they're looking to see Wednesday at 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Dominican Republic around Thursday 2 a.m. Haiti around Thursday 8 a.m. Cuba around Thursday 8 p.m. and Florida around Friday 8 p.m. and Saturday 8 a.m. So all these places I just said, these will be the times they will most likely see tropical storm force winds. Now with that, I thank you all for watching. If you like weather content like this, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the bell to never miss an upload. With that, I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.